Hey, this is Braden with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today we're standing aboard this 2021 376 Canyon powered by triple 425 XTO V8s. This boat only has 86 hours on it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this cockpit is huge at a beam of 13.2. It's got a lot of great features. Large fish box with the Minic chill plates. Keep your fish nice and cold. As you can see here, we've got tons of beverages in here. If you guys are going out to the island, booze cruising, hanging out with the family, this is perfect. It's also got another ice box port side. As you can see here, it also has a nice dive door. You've got back entry, 2 freshwater washdowns in the transom, and a large transom seat. Not only is this a great family boat, guys, this is a fishing machine. It's got 2 live wells, freshwater washdown. You got plenty of room for tackle, rod holders at the leaning post. You've got a nice sure shade up top. So as I said before, this boat is completely equipped with the twin 16-inch Garmins. You do have Helmmaster with fish point, stay point, and drift point. This boat does have not only that, but it's got your bow thruster too as well. Okay, the great thing about this boat, it is equipped with Seakeeper, so when you're out there fishing with your buddies, you're not going to be rolling around. So you got the CL7 here, as well as your compass, PDF box up top, storage for life jackets, and you also have the nice sunroof. All right guys, here we stand inside this massive cabin of the 376. You've got a nice large V-berth with air conditioning. This boat is perfect for the family, or if you just want to get away, get inside, get out of the heat, whether you're at the rigs or you're at the island. Great for the kids. You've got a Dominic marine head with overboard discharge. You've got the creature comforts with the refrigerator as well as a microwave. This boat does have a diesel generator, so it's going to run as long as you need it to. Inside you've got the Dominic cockpit cooler, as well as your chiller plates and a separate Fusion stereo system to control the stereo. Alright guys, as you can see, we're here at the bow of the 376 Canyon. Very spacious, tons of room for the family or just lounging with your fishing buddies. As you can see here, it's got the bow filler cushion with a rising table. You do have a windlass anchor up front and large bench seat right here. On the sides here, you do have a raw water wash down, plenty of rod holders, cup holders, etc. All right guys, we are outside this 376 Canyon, celestial blue, beautiful boat, low hours. It also is equipped with the open ray Garmin radar. You got a spotlight, outriggers. This boat is a massive beast, great for fishing, family, whatever it is you like to do. If you want more information about this boat, please contact us, Braden, at 727-744-7304, or visit our website at marinemax.com.